The outbreak has resulted in 55 visits to emergency departments and 2 admissions to pediatric intensive care. No deaths, luckily, have been reported. Medical Health Officer Devinder Singh says most of the cases are affecting babies and children, while spikes in cases are expected every 2 to 5 years. This year is unusual.
The number of cases that we're seeing is above even those 2 to 5 year peaks that we would expect, and so likely the additional reason for that would potentially be the decrease in routine immunizations that we've seen with young children since the start of the pandemic.